play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it?
Ineos Automotive starts Grenadier production to fulfill orders in North America. Ineos Automotive started production of the Grenadier four-wheel drive vehicle for the North American market last week. This first U.S. specification Grenadier is still produced at their facility in Hambach, France in Scottish white. This step is the company's commitment to fulfill quite a large order in the U.S., namely 7,000 units. Ineos aims to deliver to the US this November, with Canada following in January. Lynn Calder, CEO of Ineos Automotive, expressed enthusiasm about this production milestone and highlighted the strategic importance of the Hambach plant. The start of production for North American vehicles is a significant moment for Ineos Automotive, and especially for the Hambach plant, said Calder.
All these years I've been chasing, I've got visions in my head, like memories after death, to be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said.
He also stated that production had increased over the last 6 months. To ensure we can deliver to customers as quickly as possible while maintaining the world-class quality standards we set for ourselves, he added. In the US, what is being marketed is the 5-seater SUV version, while prices for the base model Grenadier start at $71,500 or around 1.1 billion Indonesian rupiahs, while the Trialmaster and Fieldmaster both start at $79,190 or around 1.2 billion Indonesian rupiahs. It is known that this SUV has a shape that almost resembles the Land Rover Defender Classic but is better in every way, especially the interior, from the combination of the latest technology, comfort and a layout that prioritizes functionality. This model, which was born out of company owner Sir Jim Ratcliffe's love for the Defender, was built as a result of collaboration with various parties, one of which was BMW, which managed a 6-cylinder engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission with 282 horsepower of power and 451 Nm of torque. To support Grenadier production, Ineos Automotive acquired the Hambach facility from Mercedes-Benz in January 2021, with an investment of more than €50 million at that time. The production line is equipped with advanced features, including a new semi-automated paint shop, a fully automated body shop and an upgraded quality center. Apart from the Grenadier, Ineos also plans to launch 3 new models towards the end of the decade, including 2 fully electric vehicles. They had also planned a version powered by hydrogen but delayed the launch due to a lack of supporting infrastructure.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these years I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death, to be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said.